Hey guys, it's me, Angel.B, coming at you with another look. So today, my friend picked the colors, and that's what I went with. I didn't just think of it, well, didn't just go off of a picture. I just told her to pick some colors, and that's what I came up with. It's very pretty. I love it. You know, most of the stuff that I do, I love. If I didn't, I would not be on camera. And another thing, I want to thank everybody that is showing support to me by sharing my work, just getting me out there so that I can grow. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I beat my face, then stay tuned. Alright guys, we're going to start off with the Plouise base in Rumor 4, and we'll go ahead and put this all over my lid to create a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so I'm going to go into the James Charles Morphe X palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Sculpt and put that into my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out. Alright, so I'm going to go in the same palette, and I'm going to take the shade Vibrant, and I'm going to just put that on the top of the black and blend these shades together, and I'm going to take the red a little bit higher, closer to my brow bone. Alright, so I want the black to be a little bit higher, so I'm going to go back into it and apply it and then blend it out. And like I say, in all my videos, I do go back and forth between these shades to make sure that everything is well blended. Alright, so I'm going to just take a makeup wipe and clean up this area. Alright, to cut my crease, I'm going to take the Plouise Acid Range in blank canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and carve out the shape that I want. Alright, so I'm going to go back into the black, and I'm going to just put this on the outer corner and also blend it inward some. And now I'm going to use the same red that I put down to blend out the black before, and I'm going to just put this right beside it and blend the two shades together. Alright, so I'm going to go into the shade Stroke, and it's in the same palette, and I'm going to just put this on the inner corner, and then I'm going to also go back with the red to blend the two together. Alright, so now I'm going to use the shade Ecstasy, and it's by Plouise, and I'm going to just use this to create my wing. So for glitter on the wing, I'm going to just use the Colourpop glittery glitter that they have, and I'm going to just go ahead and put that onto my wing. Alright, so after this, I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on off camera and then finish my face, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.